improves insulin sensitivity in diabetics. 215,000 people under the age of 20 had diabetes in 2010. Betaine is synthesized from choline and is found in everyday foods. Does betaine improve insulin resistance in diabetic fibroblast cells? I hypothesized that betaine will lower the levels of insulin resistance, and the more betaine concentration I use, the less the levels of insulin resistance there would be. I tested my hypothesis in the IR, IRS-1, and AKT. In order to carry out my experiments, I cultured the cells, extracted protein from them, performed a Western blot, isolated RNA, converted RNA to cDNA, and performed a real-time PCR. This is a picture of the fibroblast cells that were used. As expected, low glucose and high glucose cells differed at all three levels, proving the creation of diabetic conditions. Both low glucose and high glucose cultured cells had similar amounts of IRB proteins and IRS-1 proteins as shown by the Western blot results. Betaine did not have an effect in the IRB. However, both of my hypotheses were proven true in the IRS-1 because betaine helped recover insulin resistance, and the higher concentration of betaine that I used, the more the effect of betaine had. In AKT, betaine recovered insulin resistance, but it did not have more of an effect with the higher concentration. I will repeat the experiment at each step in the insulin signaling cascade to get more sets of densometric data. I will examine the mechanism of how betaine is transported into fibroblast cells using a specific carrier protein. I will study the morphological changes in betaine-treated cells using a high-resolution microscope.